what have I gotten out of past years of Win the Storm? I would say that our company gets more bang for the buck and a better return on investment being a vendor at Win the Storm than any other event that we're involved in, by far.
If you're a vendor and looking to distribute your business or market your business, one of the best investments you're going to make, showing up down here to the trade show, lots of captive audience. Anthony always goes one step better every year. This year's going to be right here in New Orleans.
As from a vendor standpoint, the education that gets done and how, I don't want to say primed to buy that an attendee is, but the education they get coming to the show, like ready to interact with a vendor, that's always really exciting.
But we're going to do some wonderful things at WTS.
Win the Storm this year is going to be new and improved. It's really the focus on education this year.
You will feel like you're part of an exclusive elite group.
Being able to network with those people that know others in this industry has been extremely powerful for us.
I just definitely saw a lot of industry leaders getting involved with it, and I'm one of those people that if it's working, I take it into my tool belt.
We're going to bring property owners, we're going to bring real estate investment trusts, we're going to bring the people that really need to speak to the people that do claim stuff around the country.
As a vendor, for me, some of the perks have been, one, it's a really kind of close-knit community.
That's what sets this conference apart.
Another friend of mine was a vendor for years. He had told me that I had to come, and the experience was just amazing. We didn't really know what to expect because it was our first year doing it, but I don't know if these guys have them for the next 100 years. We'll be there every single year.